how do you sell this one? One is how much?
How much food cost?
Huh?
$2.
$2. You know how much is $2 means? They're saying $2. I don't know if he knows how much is $2. $2 will be cheap for that. Anyway, he's a little bit confused. Maybe he thought $2 is high. But anyway, guys, so yeah, starting with Nepal and India when it comes or in terms of the breakfast, guys. So actually in Nepal is 15 minutes ahead of India. And in Nepal, guys, I just found out that like people here, what they consume for breakfast, like it's totally different from India. Because in India, people, early in the morning, I see people outside there eating puri, dosa, idli, and this is the most famous breakfast, mostly in the north and south of India. But in Nepal, what people consume here for breakfast is totally different. It's like we African in the morning, the first thing we start with it is just tea, guys. We start always with tea with biscuit or maybe any other snack. So in Nepal they start with the tea and they have something round like this which they call it sel roti, and they have some local snack which they take with tea, and this is what they used to have for their breakfast. And around 10 to 11, this is where they take their lunch, guys, in Nepal. Wow, this is something different compared to India. Like they eat so early, that is when they eat, like around 10 to 11. And the most consumed food, I mean the food that Nepal people love to eat and everywhere that you can find is momo, guys. And I just love the Nepali momo. I have tried a lot of momo so far. I ate the Tibetan and the Newari, Nepali momo, guys. It's really delicious. And the way they serve it with special soup or chutney, this is what makes it so unique compared to India. Like in India, they always serve it with mayonnaise. And just know for Nepal, they are so specialized in making of momo, guys, which is something tasty and amazing. If you come to Nepal, guys, you must try the Nepali momo, guys.